Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add files from your Google Drive and upload it to your board on Miro. So let us dive into this. So let's assume, guys, we have, I don't know, let's say, for instance, for your team project here on Miro, relevant information and instructions saved as a PDF in your Google Drive. Now, this is how you can access it and add it directly to your board. What you want to do, guys, is click into that plus button here at the bottom of that toolbar and look for an upload function or feature. You'll find several of these. Like, for example, you can upload files directly from Dropbox or from OneDrive and also from Google Drive or from your device. So let me go with that option here at the bottom. You may also pin it to your toolbar, upload from Google Drive. After that, simply enter or paste the URL of the file from your Google Drive, for example, and add it here to that list. So let me head over to my drive really quickly and let me go, for example, with, I don't know, let me find that file here, for instance, right click into it, and after that select share, click into copy link, and now you can use this invitation link, for example, to paste it here, click into add, and that is going to give you access, or your team members access, to that shared file from Google Drive. Of course, guys, as you can see, that feature is not available within my membership plan, but that's technically at least how this works, how you can attach files or link directly from your Google Drive. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.